In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Nutshell CRM. By the end, you'll have your customer and prospect information neatly organized and ready to use. First, prepare your contact file. Create or export your list as a CSV from Excel, Google Sheets, another CRM, or wherever your data lives. Include columns like name, email, phone, company, and address. Keep things clean and consistent. One person per row, clear headers in the first row, and standardized phone and address formats. If possible, separate first and last names into different columns and remove duplicates or empty rows. When everything looks good, save the file as a CSV. Now, open the Import tool in Nutshell. Log into your account, click the plus button in the top left, and choose Import from the menu. This takes you to the Import options, where you can pick the source that best matches your data. Select your import source. If your list is in a file, choose CSV spreadsheet. It's the most common. You can also connect Google Contacts to sync directly, pull from Office 365 if your team uses Microsoft, or migrate from another supported CRM to save time. Choose the option that fits your situation. If you picked CSV, upload your file. Select the saved CSV from your computer. Nutshell will scan your headers and automatically try to match each column, like email, phone, or name, to the appropriate CRM fields. This auto-matching speeds things up and reduces errors. Next, map your fields. Review every column to make sure it's pointing to the right place. For example, your email address column should map to email, and company should map to company. If something doesn't match automatically, use the drop-downs to correct it. Leave any columns you don't need unmapped to keep your database clean. Take a moment here. Accurate mapping ensures your data lands exactly where you expect. Choose what to import. Decide whether to create people, companies, and optionally leads. People are the individual contacts. Companies group those people under the organizations they belong to. Leads are optional and create new sales opportunities for each imported contact if that's part of your workflow. Pick only what you need today. When everything looks right, start the import. Click Begin Import, and Nutshell will upload your file and create the records. After it finishes, spot check a few contacts to confirm fields look correct. If something's off, adjust your mapping or CSV and run the import again. That's it. With your contacts imported, you're ready to leverage Nutshell for follow-ups, pipelines, and reporting. Thanks for watching, and happy importing.